Hello and welcome to my unboxing. First off, sorry if there's any background noise. It's really hot today, so the fan's on and the window's open, so we might get some noise, and you know, if a truck goes past, I'm going to have to edit that out, so that'll be the only editing you get. Now, onto this. This is my first ever kit from Uniquely Creative, and it's part of my Christmas present from a relative. They are not into scrapbooking, of course, but they thought this would be a good gift, and I think it's an awesome gift to give someone a one-off subscription to a kit club for whatever it is they're into. So, you know, not just scrapbooking, you might have a sewer. I'm pretty sure I've seen a sewing kit club. I don't know the details. I saw it about 18 months ago. I've seen two different art kit clubs. Of course, scrapbooking, card making, there's over a dozen in Australia. There's plenty of planner kit clubs and, you know, geek stuff. There's geek boxes. There's makeup boxes that you can get. And if you don't know, if you're not into the thing that your relative's into, one of these is a great way to show that you are thinking of what they love. Does that make sense? I hope it does. So let's check out what I got in my first ever Uniquely Creative Kit Club. Look at all these goodies. This is awesome. I'm so excited. I'm just going to pull that whole baggie out and remove the pizza box because there's just not enough room on my little desk. So, ooh, it's chockers. It's heavy. It's awesome. So first we've got this bag of goodies with some black and some white paint. You can never have too much black and too much white, and if you follow my blog, you will have seen in my last post that because my son and I can't do stairs anymore, we are moving out of this house into a house without stairs. So I have packed nearly all of my craft supplies and left myself with just one cart of stuff. It's been very hard to scrapbook with only one cart of stuff. So the only paint I've currently got is what came in my Soul Journey charity kit, which is a tube of blue and a tube of gold. So now I have white and black. So I'm not going to pack these. They're going to go into my cart if I can find the space, because I need to be creating a bit more. And, you know, the kids are doing art at home and all of that, so paint's important. What's the next bit in here? We have a Colour Blast Colour Shimmer Dust. This is my first one. I've never had one of these and I can't wait. It's called Lush. That will be interesting to play with. Where will I put that? A cute embossing folder. Don't know when I'm moving. It's taking me ages to pack because of my injuries, so I'm just packing as I can, and then once we're packed, we'll find a house without stairs and move into it. That's the plan. So I've got an alphabet stamp. That's a really cute one, and this one will be really good for doing mixed media stuff, like, because yeah, I've packed all my stamps. So I've got one stamp out. No, I've got 4 stamps out, which you saw in my post. I've got this one that I've used in so much stuff because it was the only stamp I had, and then I grabbed these 3 on sale the other week, so I can add these stamps now. Okay, got some cork sheets. There's 4 of them. They'll be fun to play with. Adhesive backed, so they'll be awesome. We've got the documented collectibles. Can you spread them out a bit? Not really. I'll open them after and show you what's in them. Some cork letters. So they will be fun to create with. Got the magazine from Creative Kit Club, which will be very useful. Got instructions on how to do the layouts. at that later. The Kaiser Craft Workshop magazine, which, we'll flip to the documented. There we go. This was a range. I was like, yeah, I need this range because I've got so many school photos and stuff to do, and this will be great. My kids' school that they went to up until this year, they would send you like photos of everything throughout the year. So I don't just have the back to school photo and the class photo. I've got like photos of them doing science experiments and stuff like that, which is really great. So they got quite thick school albums. So we got a cut apart full of phrases to use, which will be awesome. Now we're getting to the papers. Okay. Love the wood. Ooh, like the texture on that one. I don't know where I'm gonna go. Underneath. This one's from the Open Road collection. Gumtree bark. It's really cool. And more from the documented collection. Ooh, it's a fun bit of a map. I like this. It's like already completed background of book paper stuck into your art journal. You've just got to add paint to it. It's great. More from Open Road. Got some cardstock. So we got a couple of nice bits of, what's this one called? Ivory. And a nice piece of craft cardstock. And I love this one, Sprout. Got the full paper pack with the sticker sheet in there. Before I open the paper, here's the very cool stencil. That'll be fun to use. Let's have a look at this paper. So cool. Might help if I turn it the right way up. Look at that. That is so cool. There's always two of each. I'm sure you know. Love that. Lockers, ledger paper. Did I show you that? Yeah, I did. I like both sides of that. That one's a tough one. This blackboard look, it's so cool. See? Texture. Ooh, that one's fun. I love the zip strips. There's some great words on the zip strips. Dream until your dreams come true. Hang on. I'll go through zip strips after I do this. It's really hot here. Sorry, guys. I love this. The pencils. That's really cute. And the sticker sheet. Full of awesome bits. That will work really, really well. So, this one zip strip says, I'm not here to be average. I'm here to be awesome. This one, as I read to you, dream until your dreams come true. Whatever you are, be a good one. Do more of what makes you happy. We must have adventures in order to know where we truly belong. Make every day your best day. Awesome. Love those bits. They are so cool. Now, I'm going to grab the cream cardstock out to put the collectibles on so that you can see them properly. Because I just don't have the room to move stuff right now. So this is the best way to do it. Here we go. So, Friends, Discover. So this is a great range for school photos and just kids' photos in general. The Best Ever, Be Bright, Be Happy, Be You, Do Awesome Things Every Day, Wander Without Reason, Collect Moments, Not Things, The Best Moments Are Free, Moments, lots of little rulers, Love This, You and Me, Whatever You Are, Be a Good One. I love that there's like these little bits of torn out notebook paper to build layers with. That's really cool. Like it looks like it's been torn out of a book, see? Or if you pop out the holes, I'm gonna have to get my poppy tool. Then you've got a very cool looking piece of like binder paper or something. I thought there was two together. Oh, okay, what else we got? My favourite. Think Happy Thoughts. The best things about memories is making them. Seriously the best. Some viewfinders, more notebook pages. Look at all that. Live for the moments you can't put into words. This is the life. Do more of what makes you happy. It doesn't get better than this. Look at the lockers. They're so cute. I love the lockers. Happy. It's the little things in life. Look at that. Our story. Good days. Day to day. So much useful stuff that will be fun to play with. So all that paper, the stencil, the cardstock, the collectibles, the cut apart. Where did I put the other stuff? The cork alphas, the cork sheets, the embossing folder, the stamps that I already put away. I love these. It's, you know, text, a clock. It's just a good base stamp for your collection. And paint. And ideas books. Like, so much stuff. This is great. Loving it. I'm going to have so much fun creating with this. So I hope you enjoyed that unboxing. Thank you for watching.